Hello and welcome back to SimplifyQA. In this session, we'll walk through how to create a test suite and schedule it for automated execution. Let's get started. First, head over to the Test Execution section and click on Suites. Here, you can choose whether you want to create a manual or an automation suite. Once you've decided, give it a name. As you can see, you can simply drag and drop any test cases into the suite. Each test case may also have multiple versions, and you can drag and drop those as well, based on what you want to run. You can also change your projects from here and drag and drop test cases from across the projects. After arranging everything, click Save. Select the test cases you want to run, choose the execution type local or remote, and pick the browser you want to execute them in. If you need to run a specific test case in a specific browser, you can easily do that as well by adjusting the execution platform from here. Now, let's execute the suite. Here, you'll fill in the release and sprint details. You can also check the live reports right here and download your execution reports anytime. Now we're going to schedule our execution. Just head to the Scheduler section, click on Add Scheduler, give it a name, and choose your scheduler type. A user can choose to schedule either a single test case or an entire suite, depending on their requirement. Here, the suite will run on your local machine. The green dots indicate that the SimplifyQA agent is active and running, while red means it's not active. Choose one and enter the required data. You can set the recurrence to run once, hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Select the start date, how many times it should repeat, and the end date. Then click Save. You can check the complete history of all scheduled executions by clicking on the History icon. And that's it. We've created and scheduled our first suite. It's that easy to manage test suites and automate execution using SimplifyQA. For more such videos, stay tuned and keep engaging with SimplifyQA.